Many things. I grew up a really big fan, actually, of Chris Reeve and Superman, and so that was kind of one of the first things I was a big fanboy of, for sure. But I'm just a big TV movie buff, so there are a lot of things out there that I Oh, DC. I'm going to be a part of that right out of the gates as well, so I don't really know what to expect for that show yet. I don't think anybody does, but I'm excited to be a part of it. I get to be Flash on 3 TV shows, so I was unemployed a year and a half ago, so it's pretty cool.